If your toilet's trip lever arm inside the tank is broken, it's probably why your flush is acting all crazy and weak. Alright, so first off, you gotta turn off the water supply to the toilet. No joke, you don't want to flood your bathroom. Then, flush the toilet to empty most of the water from the tank so you can work without mess. Next, check out the trip lever arm. If it's cracked or bent, that's your culprit. You'll want to grab a replacement part that matches your toilet model. Most hardware stores have them, or you can order online. When installing, make sure the new arm moves freely and connects well with the chain that lifts the flapper. Don't make the chain too tight or too loose. It should have just a little slack so the flapper seals properly after flushing. After swapping it out, turn your water back on slowly and test the flush a few times to see if it's working right. If it still feels off, double-check the chain and the flapper for any issues. One of the biggest mistakes people make when replacing a broken trip lever arm inside a toilet tank is buying the wrong size or type of lever, which can mess with your flush and cause leaks. So always double-check your toilet brand and model before buying. Another common problem is not adjusting the chain length properly. If it's too tight, the flapper won't seal and you'll get a running toilet, but if it's too loose, the flush will be weak or incomplete. Fix this by leaving about ½ an inch of slack. Lastly, some folks forget to turn off the water before starting work and end up with a flooded bathroom. Always shut off that valve and drain the tank first to avoid any unwanted surprises. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing. It also helps contractors connect with real clients looking for their skills, making it easier to get work and build a good reputation.